Fiero. Never know what you're gonna find out in the junkyard. Got me a big old check from Kmart, y'all. Look at that. That's hilarious. School supplies from Kmart. Pay to the order of Central Florida, 2015. Look at those Nikes, Nike Airs, and some moccasins. Old rifle. Some Jordans. Oh look, the Ram truck's kind of down. Maybe I can get to it now. Damn it. I need that tank. And that tank don't look like it's very good right now. That's a damn shame. I told him that I needed stuff from this truck, and oh well, that is what it is. Tailgate still looks good. Virginia. You guys ever heard of that dealership? that? Is that a 413? Is that a 426? Not Hemi, but just the 426. Roof or hood is all rusted out. Look at that. Wow. What an incredible car just sitting out here in this yard. See if I can scratch that pad. See anything down there. What motor do you guys think that is? It's complete, got all the brackets, everything. Power steering, alternator. Mopar. That is too cool. Man, I gotta have that grill to hang on my wall. Sitting out here, rusting and rotting away. Let's see if I can get to the back of the car. Look at this roof. It's got like this little like groove in it. Look at that dash. Somebody's got to be looking for that, right? The design on those seats with the dash and the shifter. Don't forget you got this push button shifter over here. That's really cool. But look at that. Gotta show it from every angle because I mean you just don't see dashboards like this. Especially in a junkyard. I'm like covered in these stickers right now. I got them all over me. See if I can step up on the top of this door here. Get to the back. Pile of tires there. Trunk is completely rotted away. But there's like a ton of parts in there. I don't know if they specifically go to this car. It doesn't look like it, like that steering wheel and other stuff, but that power steering pump over there looks like it could. Anyway. The back of it. Let's see if I can get this off. No chance. That'd be cool to hang on the wall, wouldn't it? Yep, they're screwed in from the back. Oh well. Can't have all the cool stuff all the time. But how rad is that, huh? Alright, let's see if I can get out of here without busting my ass. How many people can say they've walked on one of these? I think it's all fiberglass, like the whole car, because like the fenders, everything's fiberglass, but it doesn't make any sense because there's holes in it, like there's metal. So it's like some parts are fiberglass and other parts are metal. Like the top of these doors seem to be fiberglass, but the bottoms are metal. And this roof, the same way. It's like a plastic or fiberglass or something. Strange. I don't know much about these. Oh, but I do want that grill. I have to come out here and unbolt the crap out of that thing. Alright, well, I gotta get out of here. Freaking jungle out here. Welcome to the jungle. We got junk for days. The Sunfire. It's like a Monza, but a Pontiac. Sunbird. Sorry, it said Sunfire, but Sunbird. Look at the tape deck to replace the factory. The old speakers, Pioneer speakers booming as a roll on the pound.